Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a contest/competition you would like to participate in. What is it about? Where does it take place? Why would you like to participate in it? The Toastmasters International Speech Competition is one public speaking competition in which I would really like to compete. The goal of this competition is to demonstrate your confidence, communication skills, and capacity to captivate an audience with an impactful and well-organized speech. Participants' body language, delivery, and speech content are evaluated. Participating in such a competition would be both difficult and gratifying, since I have always admired exceptional speakers who have the ability to impact others simply with their words. This competition begins at the club level and moves up to the area, division, and district levels in a number of different countries. Typically, the annual Toastmasters International Convention takes place in the United States or Canada, where the final international competition takes place. Thousands of people from all over the world compete, and the finalists speak in front of judges and an audience. Strong public speaking abilities are crucial in all facets of life, whether it is for self-expression, social impact, or professional advancement, which is why I want to compete. Getting ready for this competition would increase my confidence and force me to step outside of my comfort zone. I would also have the chance to meet and learn from inspirational people if I were a part of an international event like this. Soon, I want to join Toastmasters and begin getting ready for more contests like this one. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.